if you want it to be exact, measure it. You can either take them back out again and measure it, or if you're smart, you can measure it before you do that. Always helps. So I'm going to put a tapered edge on there. I'm going to stick this one back in here. I want this a little bit more than the rim. A little bit more than the rim. This one I want really big. And this one I want a little bit more than that bottom part of that hoop. So let's talk about making a slipe like that that's going to work. Take your awl, open this up here. And when you first start these guys out, they're always cumbersome when you first start out. They do get better, but the first three are a pain. So once again, I've just got a blunt cut there. I got to give it a taper. It's not going to stay in. I want a nice long taper. Nice long taper. Okay, and that's going to go in there easy, right? Because there's a space right next to the existing rib. So, and this one's easy too, because it's right next to an existing rib. That one pivotal rib in the center can be a pain. So once again, I'm going to take this out and measure it, because I didn't measure them before. And then I'm going to stick that back in there. Like I say, because the weave kind of makes a hole for you when it's right next to an existing rib, and this is now an existing rib. And I put that slipe on it, and then if it's too tight in there, which it probably is, I'm going to take the awl, open it up. So I'm going to have a total of 6 ribs to start.